The device includes spare fuses for internal fuse replacement in case of malfunction. Use a screwdriver to open the fuse holder and replace the damaged fuse with a spare. Unscrew the pre-installed screws on the main unit and proceed to install the bracket plate. Remove the screws from the handle bracket and install the bracket. Handle installation. Remove the silicone plug from the handle and the silicone plug from the handle connector of the main unit. Insert the handle plug into the corresponding socket on the main unit until a clear click is heard. Pico handle tip installation. Attach the desired tip to the handle and rotate clockwise to secure. Avoid dropping or bumping the tip to prevent damage. Place the handle into the holder. Pedal switch installation. Align the concave notch on the plug with the convex guide on the socket. Then insert the plug and rotate the locking ring clockwise to secure. Water filling. Remove the sealing caps from the injection and overflow ports. Attach the funnel to the injection port. Fill with pure or distilled water until it flows from the overflow port. Remove the funnel and securely replace the sealing caps. Connect the power cord. Press the power button. Release the emergency stop button and turn on the key switch. Select 808-755-1064 nanometers diode laser on the screen. Select the treatment area size, and skin tone according to the recipient's condition. Then tap SHR. Settings. Pulse width, 40 milliseconds. Frequency, 2 to 5 Hz. Grid size, 3 cm superscript 2. Cooling level, 4 inch. Tap standby. Select the treatment area size, and skin tone according to the recipient's condition. Then tap SHR stat. Settings. Fluence, 50J/cm superscript 2. Stack 1, 2 to 5. Cooling level, 4 inch. Tap standby. Select the treatment area size, and skin tone according to the recipient's condition. Then tap HR. Settings. Pulse width, 40 to 50 milliseconds. Frequency, 1 to 3 Hz. Cooling level, 4 inch. Tap standby. Tap Pico laser. Settings. Energy level, 300 to 800 mJ. Frequency, 1 to 3 Hz. Note, press the foot switch to release energy. Note, press the red button on the back of the machine to control the red dot switch on the handle. Tap standby. Power off the device and unplug the power cable. Water drainage. Remove the sealing cap from the drainage port and attach the funnel. Remove the cap from the overflow port. Wait until all water drains completely. Secure both caps back onto the overflow and drainage ports.